Alright, so check this out. This is the Glock 40 10mm, and just look at this thing. The thing is like it's insane. I seen it at the gun stores. Like, I need that in my life. So this is my first Glock I ever had. I was never a big Glock fanboy, but I didn't shoot it yet. It's brand new. Comes with a good bit of stuff. Has the mount there so you can put your red dot on, which I think I ordered one last night for it. And it got some scope mounts or red dot mounts, whatever. Came with 3 mags total. Got 3 mags, a loading tool, cleaning rod, which, okay, whatever. And then 4 different back straps. And actually, for my first Glock, it wasn't that bad. I kind of liked it. It's like any other gun, really. But I put the one like dovetail on here, and I like the way it fits. And the trigger on this thing, super nice. I think it's 4.5 pounds. It's a really nice trigger, though. I like it. So I got some targets set up down there. It's probably a good 50 yards down there. No idea where the gun's shooting. Never shot it. So I'm gonna see how good it shoots. Got, let's see what I got here. Got some different types of ammo. Got some Underwood ammo. Got some American Eagle, and then I got some SIG ammo here. So I'll show you this barrel real quick on this thing. This barrel, it's like the biggest. There we go. You can see it still has like the grease and everything still in there. Golden grease. Check out that barrel, man. This thing's huge. Check out the slide. Let's see, I got my other SIG here. Oh, where's it at? There we go. This is a full-size SIG 320. So, I mean, you can see like just how much bigger that actually is there. That's pretty impressive. No idea how it shoots. I was gonna bring my other 10mm out to kind of compare them, but that's all right. Let's see how this guy shoots. Yeah, this is it compared to the full-size 320. Got it, guy was like, you want a holster for it? I'm like, yeah, I probably do need one. I'm probably going to everyday carry this thing, so. See how it shoots. Okay, first shot with the Glock 40. I got my steel target by about 50 yards down there. Let's see if I can get her. Never shot this before. See how it goes. First Glock experience, man. No clue. Let's try again. Yeah, let's try a little bit lower. There we go. Oh yeah, we're on target now, brother. Yeah, all right, got some glass bottles up there. Got from the bar. Let's see what happens. Yep. There we go. Alright, so that was my first time shooting the Glock 40. And one thing I really like about this gun is it actually holds 15 rounds. So I'm not sure where I was shooting, but I got 2 bottles there. It's pretty good. So I'm gonna get it on paper sometime and actually see how it shoots, you know. And I got a red dot for it. I'll try her out, but it's just playing around with it today. But I got 15 more in there. And let's see if we can finish the bottles off a little bit closer. Should be able to knock her down pretty easy here. Oh yeah. Whoop, my bad. Alright. So yeah, it definitely seems to be hitting high and to the left, which on this model has adjustable rear sight on it, but I'm probably just gonna wait till my red dot comes in. But yeah, this one's hitting high to the left, but that's my excuse anyway. Let's shoot the water. You know, I realized like I didn't have my earplugs in either, and this gun is not that loud. But alright, let's try some rapid fire. Maybe. What do we got left? 6 shots left, or 7. Yeah, I like the gun. It's you know, for 10mm they usually kick pretty good. This one's not that bad. Still has some recoil to it, but it seems to shoot very nice. You're gonna have to try out a bunch more, but that's just my first impression of the Glock 40 sniper rifle. Maybe I could put a bipod on here and like a big scope or something. But yeah, cool. If you see one and you want it, buy it. Yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it, but definitely gonna shoot it some more.